Hello everyone, welcome back to Nagesh Karajke Orchid School. Dear students, today we are going to start our first lesson of second semester, that is more division. So open your textbook of term 2, first lesson more division. Look at the board. In this lesson we are going to learn how to divide a 2-digit or 3-digit number by a 1-digit number, that is without remainder and with remainder. Also we are going to learn how to apply division to real life situation. So let us take one more example. See, the example is 69 divided by 3. 69 divided by 3. Now see this 69 number. In 69 how many tens are there and how many ones are there? Yes, in 69 there are 9 ones and 6 tens. Okay, 6 tens, 9 ones. So what in this example, what is the dividend? Yes, this 69 is the dividend. Okay, what is the divisor? 3 is the divisor. Okay, now here at the quotient place we will write their places. Now 69 is a 2-digit number, so here we will write tens and ones. Okay, now let us start how to solve the example. Let us see how to solve the example. Now in the division always we should start from the left side. Okay, always we should start from the left side. Okay, so now here in 69 6 number is there in the left side. Okay, now here 6 divided by 3. First what we have to do? 6 divided by 3, because here 6 tens are there. Okay, 6 tens divided by 3. Now tell me, in 6 how many 3's are there? In 6 how many 3's are there? In 6 there are 2 3's. In 6 there are 2 3's. And see students, what is the place of 6? The place of 6 is tens. 6 is at tens place, and in 6 there are 2 3's. In 6 there are 2 3's. So at tens place we will write here 2. Why? Because 3 2's are 6. 3 2's are 6. So at tens place we will write 2 in the quotient part. Okay, so here we will write 2, then 3 2's are 6. Now below 6 we have to write 6, and then after that we have to do the subtraction, that is 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. This is first step. Okay, now what we have did in the first step? See, in the first step we have to start from the left side. Okay, we have to start from the left side. Here 6 tens are there. Okay, so we will start from the tens place. Here 2-digit number is there, so we will start from the tens place. Now in 6 there are 2 3's. In 6 there are 2 3's, so we will write 2 at tens place. Okay, we will write 2 at tens place. Why? Because 3 2's are 6. Then after that below 6 we will write 6, and then we will do the subtraction, that is 6 minus 6, 0. Now here how many tens are there? Now here no tens are there, 0 tens are there. Okay, now in the second step what we will do? In the second step this 9 ones we will take down. Okay, this 9 will bring down. Okay, now here we will bring down 9. So here we will draw one arrow, and 9 is at ones place. Okay, now 9 divided by 3. We have to do 9 divided by 3. Now see, in the table of 3 there is 9. Yes, now in 9 how many 3's are there? In 9 how many 3's are there? In 9 there are 3 3's, isn't it? 3 3's are 9. Say 3 3s are 9. So in ones place we will write 3 in the quotient part. Okay, so here we will write 3, then 3 3s are 9, then below 9 we will write 9, and then again we will do the subtraction, that is 9 minus 9, then we will get the 0. So this is the remainder, this is the remainder. And what is the quotient? This 23 is the quotient. Okay, so 69 divided by 3 is equal to what? 23. So what is the answer? 23, isn't it? Okay, understood how to solve the division sums? Okay, now students, we will solve the exercise 1.1. You have to open your textbook, keep your textbook in front of you. See, the question is divide. See the first one, 48 divided by 4. 48 divided by 4. This is 2-digit number. 48 is a 2-digit number. So what we will write? We will write their places first. This is tens place and this is ones place. Okay. Now we should start from the left side, means from the tens place we will start. Okay, and suppose if the dividend is 3-digit number, then we have to start from the hundreds place. If the dividend is 4-digit number, that time we have to start from the thousands place. Okay, now here the dividend is 2-digit number, 48. It is a 2-digit number, so we will start from the tens place. Okay, now see here, 4 divided by 4 we have to do. 4 divided by 4. First we have to do. This is first step. In the first step, what we are going to do? 4 divided by 4. Now see, in the 4, how many 4s are there? Only one 4 is there. Okay. 4 ones are 4. You have to say and write. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to do the subtraction, that is 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4. See students, here you have to take care that this 4 you have to write below this 4 only. Okay, 4 below 4 you have to write, and then you have to do the subtraction. Don't write this 4 here in ones place. This 4 should be in at tens place. Okay, now 4 minus 4, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. See what we did in the first step, 4 divided by 4. Okay, 4 ones are 4, then 4 minus 4, 0. Now in the second step, what we have to do? Yes, in the second step, this 8 which is at ones place, this 8 which is at ones place, that we have to take down here. Okay, this 8 we have to bring it down. Now 8 divided by 4. What you have to do? 8 divided by 4. Now see the table of 4. In the table of 4 there is 8 number, isn't it? Now tell me, in 8 how many 4s are there? In 8, 2 4s are there. Okay, so 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. So at ones place in the quotient part we will write 2, and below 8 we will write 8. Now last step is 8 minus 8. We have to do the subtraction. 8 minus 8, 0. Okay, so what is the answer? The answer is 12. 48 divided by 4 is equal to 12. Understood? Now these three sums, second, third and fourth, try to solve by your own. Remaining these sums we will take now. Now see the sixth one, that is 60 divided by 3. 60 divided by 3. Okay. Now see the example, sixth example. In this example, first you have to tell me that what is the dividend? Dividend is 60, and what is the divisor? Divisor is 3. Okay, now we'll arrange these numbers in this form. 60 divided by 3. 60 divided by 3. Say 60 divided by 3. Now 60 is a 2-digit number. So what we will write? Here tens and this is ones. Tens and ones. Now what we have to do? We have to start from the left side. As it is a 2-digit number, so we have to start from the tens place. Okay. Now 6 divided by 3. This we have to do in the first step. In the first step, 6 divided by 3 we have to do. Okay. Now in 6 tens, how many 3's are there? In 6, how many 3's are there? There are 2 3's. So what we will write here? 3 2's are 6. We should write 2 at tens place only here in the quotient part. Okay. 3 2's are 6. And below 6 we have to write 6. 3 2's are 6. 3 2's are 6. Then 6 minus 6 we have to do. 6 minus 6. Now tell me 6 minus 6. 0. 6 minus 6. 0. Okay. This is the first step. Now in the second step what we are going to do? Yes, in the second step, whatever number is there in the ones place, that number we have to take it down. So here at ones place 0 is there. So we should take 0 down. Okay. Now in 0 how many 3's are there? 0 only. Why? Because there is one rule. Yes. If we multiply it by 0 to any number, or if we will divide by 0 to any number, we will get the answer 0 only. So here we will write at ones place 0. 3 into 0, 0. Then we have to do the subtraction. Okay. So 60 divided by 3. If we will do, what will be the answer? We will get the answer 20. So here we will write the answer 20. Understood? Okay. Shall we move to the next example? Okay. We'll see the 7th example. Read the numbers. 80 divided by 4. 80 divided by 4. Say 80 divided by 4. Okay. This is the symbol of division. 80 divided by 4. Now what we will do? Yes, we will arrange the numbers in this format. 80 divided by 4. Now tell me, 80 is a 2-digit number, isn't it? 80 is a 2-digit number. So here we will write T above 8 and O at the top of 0. Tens and ones. Why? Because 80 is a 2-digit number. So we will write their places tens and ones. Now one thing you should keep in your mind, in division, while doing the division, you have to start from the left side. Okay. Now here in the left side, in 80 number, 8 is there. Okay. Now here in 8, how many 4's are there? In 8, how many 4's are there? Yes, 4 2's are 8. Say 4 2's are 8. 4 2's are 8. You have to say and then write 4 2's are 8. Okay. Now 8 minus 8. We have to do here subtraction. 8 minus 8. 8 minus 8, 0. 8 minus 8, 0. This is the first step. Now here we have completed first step. Now we will move to the second step. What is the second step? Yes, we have to see at ones place which number is there? 0 is there. This 0 we have to take it down here. Okay. So here you have to draw arrow, means this 0 will come down. Okay. So here we will take 0. Now in 0 how many 4's are there? 0 only. So write here at ones place 0, then 0 minus 0, 0. Okay. So what will be the answer? 80 divided by 4. If we will do, then we will get the answer 20. So here finally you have to write the answer 20. Understood? Okay. Next. Read the number. Yes, 48 divided by 2. 48 divided by 2. Now Again 48 is a 2-digit number, so we'll write here tens and ones. T means tens and O stands for ones. Okay. Now we have to start from the left side. Now here in the 48 at left side 4 is there. So 4 divided by 2 we have to do first. 4 divided by 2. Now in 4 how many 2's are there? In 4 how many 2's are there? Yes, in 4 there are 2 2's. Why? Because 2 2's are 4. 2 2's are 4. Say 2 2's are 4. Okay. Now we have to write 4 below the 4 only. So 4 minus 4, 4 minus 4, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. Okay. Now here we have completed first step. Now in the second step, what you are going to do, students? Yes. In the second step, whichever number is there at ones place, that number we have to take it down. Now here at ones place, which number you can see here? Yes, here at ones place 8 is there. So in the second step we have to take this 8 down. So draw here arrow and then we have to take that 8 down. Okay. Now in the 8 how many 2's are there? Now in the second step 8 divided by 2 we have to do this. So for that in 8 how many 2's are there? Say the table of 2. 2 4's are 8. Yes. In 8 there are 4 2's. In 8 there are 4 2's. So what we will write here? 2 4's are 8. Say 2 4's are 8. 2 4's are 8. Then below 8 we have to write 8. And then finally what we have to do? 8 minus 8 we have to do subtraction. 8 minus 8 0. Okay. So here the remainder is 0. And what will be the quotient? Yes, the quotient is 24 and that is our answer. So we will write here answer 24. So 48 divided by 2 is equal to 24. Understood? Okay. Then the next is, that is ninth one, 55 divided by 5. 55 divided by 5. Now students, in this example, what is the dividend? Yes, what is the dividend? Dividend is 55. And what is the divisor? This 5 is called as divisor. Okay. Now 55 is a 2-digit number. So we'll write here tens and ones. Now see at tens, here 5 is there. In 5 how many 5's are there? Only 1. 5 ones are 5. So we'll write here 1 at tens place. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. So after that we have to do the subtraction. 5 minus 5, 0. Now we'll move to the next step, that is step 2. In the step 2 what we have to do? In the step 2 we have to take this number down. So take this number down. Here 5 is there at ones place. That number we have to take it down. So here at ones place we will write 5. Okay. Now again same. In the 5 how many 5's are there? Only 1. So again we will write 5 ones are 5. Say 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. And then we have to do the subtraction, that is 5 minus 5, 0. So what is the quotient in this example? Yes, in this example the quotient is 11. That is our answer. So here we have to write answer 11. And what will be the remainder? The remainder is 0. Understood? Okay. Next, that is 10th one, 44 divided by 4. Very easy. Again it is 44 divided by 4. So write here tens and ones as it is a 2-digit number. Okay. Then we should start from the left side, means from the tens place. At tens place which number you can see here? 4 is there. Now in 4, how many 4s are there? Only 1. So 4 ones are 4. Then below 4 only we have to write 4. And after that we have to do the subtraction, that is 4 minus 4, 0. Okay. Now we'll move to the second step. What is the second step? Yes, in the second step, whatever number is there at ones place, that we have to take down. So here we will take this 4 down here. So here you have to write 4. Okay. Again in the 4, how many 4s are there? Only 1 4 is there. So what we will write? 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. And then 4 minus 4, 0. So 44 divided by 4 is equal to what? 11. So what is the answer? Here you have to write answer 11. Understood? Okay. Next, 11 number, that is 77 divided by 7. Again this is 2-digit number, so here we will write tens and ones. Now see, at tens place here 7 is there. 7 divided by 7. 7 divided by 7, 1. 7 ones are 7. So here we will write 7. Then 7 minus 7, 0. Now in the second step, this number we have to take down. So here again 7 is there. So here we will take this 7 down. Now again same thing you have to do. 7 divided by 7. 7 divided by 7, 1. 7 ones are 7. So again 7 minus 7, 0. So again the answer is same. What is the answer? Answer is 11. 77 divided by 7 is equal to 11. Understood? Next, 84 divided by 4. See students, 84 divided by 4. Say 84 divided by 4. Now again this is a 2-digit number, so write here tens and ones. Now at tens place which number you can see? At tens place here 8 is there. Now in 8 how many 4s are there? In 8 there are 2 4s. Why? Because 4 2s are 8. Say 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. You have to say and then write 4 2s are 8. Then 8 minus 8, 0. Okay. Now in the second step, next step, this number we have to take down. Here 4 is there. So this 4 will come down. So here we will write 4. Now in 4 how many 4s are there? Only 1 4 is there. So 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Okay, so 84 divided by 4 is equal to 21. So what is the answer? Answer is 21. Okay. Next, 13 number. Read the example. 39 divided by 3. Okay. Write their places. This is tens and this is ones because it is a 2-digit number. So this is tens and ones. Their places we have to write. Okay. Now start from the tens place. Here 3 is there. So 3 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. So below 3 we will write 3. Then we have to do the subtraction, that is 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Okay. Now the next step is, yes, this number we have to take down. So what is the number here? 9. 9 is at ones place. So here again we write 9 because this number will come down in the second step. Now 9 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3. Now in 9, how many 3's are there in 9? Yes, in 9 there are 3 3's. Why? Because 3 3's are 9. 3 3's are 9. 3 3's are 9. Okay. Then 9 minus 9, 0. So 39 divided by 3 is equal to what? 13. So again you have to write here answer 13. Understood? Clear till here? Okay. Next, that is 14th number. 99 divided by 9. Okay, it is very easy again. See, you have to see the table of 9. Okay, in 9 how many 9s are there? Only 1 is there. So at tens place you have to write 1 and then you have to do the subtraction. 9 minus 9, 0. Again this 9 which is at 1's place, that 9 you have to take it down and again you have to do 9 divided by 9, that is 1. Okay, and after that you have to write the answer. What answer you will get after division? 11. Okay, so try to solve this sum by your own. We will see the next example, that is 80 divided by 8. 80 divided by 8. Again this is 2-digit number, so write here tens and ones. Now at tens place here 8 is there. 8 divided by 8. In 8 only 1 8 is there. So 8 ones are 8. Now 8 minus 8, 0. In the second step this number we have to take down. So here 0 is there, so 0 will come down. Now 0 divided by 8, 0 only. 8 here 0. So we'll write here 0. 0 minus 0, 0. So what is the answer? Answer is 10. Understood? Okay. See the next example. 66 divided by 3. Now what is the dividend? 66. And what is the divisor? 3. 66 is a 2-digit number, so write here tens and ones. Then 6 divided by 3 you have to do. In 6 how many 3's are there? There are 2 3's. Okay, so 3 2's are 6. Write here 3 2's are 6. Then 6 minus 6, 0. Okay, now in the second step this number we have to take it down. Here again 6 is there, so here we'll write 6. Again in 6 how many 3's are there? In 6 there are 2 3's, so 3 2's are 6. Then 6 minus 6, 0. So 66 divided by 3 is equal to 22. Clear? Next example, 68 divided by 2. Try to solve this example and then check your answer from the screen. 68 divided by 2. This is 2-digit number, so we'll write their places tens and ones. At tens place here 6 is there, so 6 divided by 2 first we will do. Okay, now in 6 how many 2's are there? In 6 there are 3 2's. Okay, so 2 3's are 6. 2 3's are 6. Then 6 minus 6, 0. Okay, then this number we have to take down. So here we will draw one arrow and this number we will take it down. Here 8 will come. Okay, now in 8 how many 2's are there? In 8 there are 4 2's. Okay, so 2 4's are 8. You have to say the tables. 2 4's are 8. 2 4's are 8. Then 8 minus 8, 0. Understood? So 68 divided by 2 is equal to 34. So here finally you have to write answer. Next, 93 divided by 3. 93 divided by 3. This is tens and this is ones. Now in the tens place 9 is there. So you have to see in 9 how many 3's are there? In 9 there are 3 3's. Okay, so we'll write here 3 3's are 9. So this 3 you have to write at tens place. 3 3's are 9. Then 9 minus 9, 0. Okay, then after that what you are going to do? Yes, this number we have to take down. So here you have to draw one arrow and this number you have to take it down. So here we will write 3. Again in the 3 how many 3's are there? Only 1 3 is there. So 3 1's are 3. Say 3 1's are 3 and then do the subtraction. Then you will get the remainder 0. So what is the answer? 93 divided by 3 is equal to 31. Next example, 90 divided by 3. 90 divided by 3. Now tell me students, what is the dividend here? 90 is the dividend and what is the divisor? 3 is the divisor. Now again this is a 2-digit number, so first of all we will write their places, that is tens and ones. Now start from the tens place. At tens place here which number you can see? Here 9 is there. So in 9 how many 3's are there? In 9 there are 3 3's. So 3 3's are 9. So this 3 you have to write it at tens place. Okay, 3 3's are 9. 3 3's are 9. Then do the subtraction. 9 minus 9, 0. In the next step this number we have to take down. Here 0 is there, so we will write here 0. Okay, so 0 minus 0 divided by 3, 0 only. Okay, so 0 minus 0 we will get the answer, remainder 0. Okay, so what is the answer? 90 divided by 3 is equal to 30. Okay, next 64 divided by 2. 64 divided by 2. Now in 6 how many 2's are there? In 6 there are 3 2's. So 2 3's are 6. 6 minus 6, 0. In the next step this 4 will come down. Okay, now in 4 how many 2's are there? 2 2's are 4. 2 2's are 4. So 4 minus 4, 0. So what is the answer? 64 divided by 2 is equal to 32. Next 55 divided by 5. Again this is a very easy example that you have to solve by your own. Next 86 divided by 2. Now see, at tens place here 8 is there, at ones place here 6 is there. So start from the tens place. At tens place here 8 is there. In 8 how many 2's are there? In 8 there are 4 2's. 2 4's are 8. Say 2 4's are 8. 8 minus 8, 0. Okay. Now next step, in the next step you have to take this number down. So take this 6 down. Now in the 6 how many 2's are there? In 6 there are 3 2's. 2 3's are 6. 6 minus 6, 0. Okay. So 86 divided by 2 is equal to 43. Next 96 divided by 3. Now in 9 how many 3's are there? In 9 there are 3 3's. Okay, so 3 3's are 9. 9 minus 9, 0. Okay, now this 6 you have to take it down. Again now in 6 how many 3's are there? In 6 there are 2 3's. 3 2's are 6. So below 6 you have to write 6 and then after that you have to do the subtraction, that is 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. Next 36 divided by 3. This is tens and ones. At tens place here 3 is there. 3 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 3, 0. In the next step this number you have to take down. So take it down. Here 6. Now in 6 how many 3's are there? There are 2 3's. 3 2's are 6. So 6 minus 6, again you will get the remainder 0. So 36 divided by 3 is equal to 12. And the last example is 48 divided by 6. Write their places. This is tens place, this is ones place. Now see, at tens place which number you can see? 4. Okay, now this number, this example you have to say it very carefully. Why? Because this is a little bit different. 48 divided by 6. Now at tens place here 4 is there. Okay, and 4 is smaller than 6. So 4 divided by 6 we can't do. Why? Because there is one rule that to do the division, the dividend should be greater than divisor. Okay, so 4 divided by 6 here we can't do. So what we are going to do here? Here we will put 0 and then 4 minus 0, 4. Okay, and then after that we have to take this 8 down. Okay, Now here 48 ones we have. Here we have 48 ones. Now in 48 you have to see how many 6 are there. In 48 how many 6 are there? You have to say the table of 6. Say the table of 6. Yes, in 48 there are 8 6. 6 8s are 48. Say 6 8s are 48. So here we will write 48. Below 48 we will write once again 48 and then we will do the subtraction, that is 48 divided by 48. Sorry, 48 minus 48 is equal to 0. Okay. See students, this is a little bit different example, that 48 divided by 6. In 48 the first number is 4, which is a smaller than divisor. Okay, so here we can't do the division 4 divided by 6. So at that time what we will do? Yes, we will take these both numbers together, that is 48, and then we will see in 48 how many 6 are there. In 48 how many 6 are there? In 48 there are 8 6. So 6 8s are 42, and then afterwards we have to do the subtraction, that is 48 divided by 48. We will get the remainder 0. So in this way you have to solve this example. Okay. So in this way today we have completed our exercise 1.1. In the next session we will see the next part. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.